I honestly thought that I was going to spend the rest of my life fighting food, fighting cravings, fighting exhaustion, fighting my weight, yes, even fighting myself. And maybe the hardest part of all was slowly starting to believe nothing would ever really change. Hi, I'm Steve, and welcome to another down-home clean carnivore video. When you think about it, there's a lot of people who feel just that way. And if this video helps you even a little bit, do yourself a favor, your channel a favor. Hit like and subscribe so that the message can reach the people who need it most. Because as you know, there's a lot of tired, discouraged people out there quietly struggling with food, weight, exhaustion, cravings, and hopelessness. Maybe together we can help a few of them realize that they are not alone. You can come back here for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you'd like help getting started, hit the link below and grab your free Clean Carnivore Starter Pack. Simple, practical, beginner-friendly. Now, pull up a chair and let's talk honestly for a few minutes. For years, I felt trapped inside my own body. And the strange thing is, from the outside, life looked fairly normal. But internally, I was exhausted, not just physically, but mentally too. Food occupied so much space in my mind and in my brain that I honestly thought it was normal. Planning the next meal while I was still eating the one in front of me. Constantly opening the refrigerator, hoping something would finally satisfy whatever was missing, promising myself tomorrow would be different, over and over again. And after enough failed attempts, something dangerous begins happening. You stop merely doubting diets, you begin doubting yourself. I think WB understands that feeling immediately. The quiet fear that maybe this is simply how life always will be. Now, let me say something clearly. I did not suddenly become perfect, and carnivore didn't magically solve every problem in my life overnight. But something began changing when I simplified my food. The noise started quieting down, the constant cravings eased, my mind became calmer, my energy became steadier, and for the first time in a very long time, I began feeling hope again. Not hype, hope. That matters. Especially for a tired man who secretly feels like they've already failed too many times. Now, if you're watching and you feel trapped, discouraged, overwhelmed, or exhausted from constantly fighting food, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not alone. And you are not beyond hope. Sometimes healing begins with something much simpler than we imagined. One peaceful meal at a time. And remember, if you like this video, be neighborly and share it with a friend.